Hello everyone, this is Global Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every day. I also want to remind you that some of my video courses are already available. Buy them if you haven't done it yet. I would really appreciate your support. Today I'd like to talk to you about Yves Saint Laurent. I've been to his museum in Paris. His collections of different periods are exhibited there. I was surprised to see how modern they are. How could the designer predict in 1970s what would be in trend these days? I think that this is pure magic. Today, I'd like to give you a review of these magazines. The first one is the book about Russian costumes. It's in French. This book is the result of Yves Saint Laurent's trip to Russia. It contains everything that impressed him in Russia. He took some pictures. He even purchased several costumes. The book was absorbing for me. I really want to show it to you. The colors of the costumes are very rich. The ideas are very interesting. As I've said, the exhibition in the museum was very modern. I've also bought this book. Nan Kempner was Yves Saint Laurent's muse. In the book, there are the pictures of the outfits that he created especially for her. She wrote that Yves Saint Laurent influenced her career and her life a lot. I would also like to share with you some ideas from this book. Have a look at the third magazine. I would also like to give you a review of this A l'Officiel anniversary edition published in 2017. It is devoted to Yves Saint Laurent works from 1957 to 2002. There are a lot of fascinating ideas and designs in these magazines. I'd like to show you some of them to inspire you. I would love you to sew some garments using these ideas. As I've said, the designs presented in these books are very modern. They are very up-to-date. First, let's have a look at the book about the Russian costumes. I don't speak French, so let's just have a look at the pictures. Yves Saint Laurent came to Russia to study Russian costumes. He liked this idea, and he wanted to share it with the rest of the world. Have a look at this rich texture. It's gorgeous. The texture is so complicated. The thread weaving is exceptional. It is combined with embroidery. Decorated with fringe. There are some frills here. The accessories are also fabulous. The costume is very intricate. The colors are also very rich. Just have a look at this print. I think that it's even more attractive than prints from Gucci and Valentino. It is so colorful. White, bright blue, yellow, green, turquoise, and a lot of red. It is so bright. I love it. This print is also intricate. There are different flowers, crescents, some graphic tracery. It is combined with stripes and some embroidered straps, lace. There's a high collar here. It is beautiful and luxurious. Some Gucci shawls have similar prints with such bright colors. Nowadays, a lot of stylists recommend black and white wardrobe. They say you need to have a black pencil skirt, a beige blouse, a camel coat, a classic white shirt. Probably such style is relevant for the white collars, office workers, but not for other people. I do not agree with such style choices. I prefer bright garments. I want us to be different and beautiful every day. I'd like to show you not only clothes, but shoes as well. Have a look at these boots. They are gorgeous. They are decorated with lace. They're so unusual. Just have a look at this print. The embroidery is so rich. This color combination is classic, red and blue. Pay attention to this button. Absolutely gorgeous. You can see similar buttons in modern fashion brands' collections. Have a look at these fonts decorated with sequins and embroidery. I am not a historian of Russian costume. I just describe the pictures I see. Have a look at this unbelievable headwear. It is also decorated with embroidery. The next page is about sundresses. You can even see their construction. They are very interesting. The colors are very rich and deep. Decoration is diverse. The modern designers are still inspired by these national costumes. Have a look at this beadwork. The headwear is richly decorated. It is combined with the huge earrings. The garment is very bright. The outfit is layered. The skirt is combined with the dress and the vest. They are decorated with embroidery and fringe. Yves Saint Laurent was inspired by these costumes after visiting Russia. It influenced his work a lot. I've read in his book that his trip to Russia made a lasting impression on him. A lot of fashion brands still use these ideas nowadays. Have a look at this bright green dress. The history of Russian costume is very interesting and rich. We, Russian people, are proud of it. We can use some ideas, such as color combinations. Just have a look at these pictures. This embroidery had a sacred meaning. The red threads were meant to protect people. Have a look at the necklace. The beads are combined with the golden threads. It's absolutely marvelous. Again, the texture is very rich. Accessories are very diverse and bright. Have a look at the combination of yellow and black beads, together with white, red, and blue. The colorful beads are combined with a bright garment. It looks absolutely amazing. Nowadays, stylists do not recommend wearing excessive accessories, but this rule is not for everyone. You can be bright. You can combine colorful garments if you want to. These headband accessories are all very vivid and attractive. This is a sketch made by Yves Saint Laurent. Here's the picture of the dress made according to the sketch. I was impressed by this book a lot. I would like to give you a review of the other magazines as well. They are very fascinating and inspiring. I'd like to share them with you. I hope you got interested. You can find a lot of information about Yves Saint Laurent and his style in the internet. I took a lot of pictures in the museum. It is a very special place. If you do not have an opportunity to visit it, you can also look up for the pictures in the internet. That's all for today. Let's be different and beautiful. My name is Irina Paukshte. Buy my courses, subscribe to my channel, write comments, share the videos, press the like and the bell buttons. I would really appreciate your support. Thank you. Goodbye.